We are going to draw 3 arcs with the same non-90 degree angles. First, draw 3 full circles. They are really arcs with 360 degree delta angle. Select the 3 circles. Make sure nothing else is selected. Invoke the property editor using the prop edit action. This will edit all objects selected. Fill in 100 into start and delta. This gets us close to the right angles. Be lazy. No need to calculate the right start angle when you can just use the up and down arrow button to fine-tune it. Verify using the horizontal arm of the crosshair aligned with the centre.